Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Wake Up with Wops. In my third video ever, I went over the indicators that I use. It's a really informative video. I recommend you guys go watch it before watching this. So anyways, let's get into it. Right now, we're focusing just on the moving averages. Moving averages are basically the price of an asset averaged out within a certain amount of days. So let's get into it. I use four different averages, the 9 EMA, which I'm going to make visible now. I keep it blue. Right now, the 9-day average of Bitcoin is 115,000. You can see it's kind of showing as a resistance here. It can't really go over that price. It's a good resistance spot. Before it was support, you can see it was bouncing off the line. Now we are not bouncing off the line. We need to break through the line. That is our short-term trend, our 9 EMA. So going now to our 20-day average, which you can see is the price of Bitcoin within 20 days. It's 117,000. So let's say we break through this 9 EMA at 115. We're going to find more resistance at 117. So it's a good way to see what is going to be the upcoming resistance or support. These are our short-term and medium trends. You can see here we were on an uptrend. Now we're looking like it's a little small downtrend. Maybe we bounce up and continue going higher. We will see. If it is above these averages, it will be an uptrend. If it's below, it'd be considered a downtrend. Now here we found some support. I wonder why. When we make this visible, it is because the 50 SMA, the 50-day average of Bitcoin is 112,000. It found support there. So if you longed, you'll be up right now, and you could even sell at the quick scalp at the 9 EMA where there's going to be the next resistance. So that is our 50-day average. Now going to our long-term trend, which is this red line. That is our 200-day average. In Bitcoin, the 200-day average is 99,000. So let's say we get a crash and we we crash down to 99,000. We will see a bounce here because there will be some strong support at the 200 SMA. When it's above all these averages, you know you are in an uptrend. So we're above the 200 SMA. We are currently in a long-term uptrend. Bitcoin in general, if you keep zooming out, stays above that red line. If it goes below, it's only a little bit until it goes back above and breaks out the 200 SMA. So Bitcoin in general is in a long-term uptrend, but it's a good way to see moving averages, see support, see resistance, see if we are in an uptrend, to see if we're in a downtrend. Do we short, do we long? So it's very important to know these moving averages and understand what they do. And that is it.